Hey, it's me. I never thought I'd see you once again. And I just can't believe you're right here with me now. Looking, staring and talking, telling me things that you've done all these years. Hey, it's me, the one who've always cared for you. Oh yes, it's me, the one who've always loved you. I just hope you'd still remember, and I wish they crossed your mind, all the memories that we have left behind.
Mukbang ako, mukbang. Mukbang ng spaghetti, ng pizza, ng chicken, lasagna. Tikman natin, maanghang daw yun eh. Ay, try natin yung maliit lang na ano, yung spinach sila na bago. Ang pinakadulo yan, ang pinakamasaya. Pa rin. Binigyan ng mga ano yung lupa, ha? Binigyan ng mga lupa yung mga mahihirap, tapos hanggang ngayon mahirap pa rin. Ang gagawin natin, iilan lang daw ang may chance ng yumaman. Kaya Amerika na lang yung pag-asa. Amerika na lang ba ang pag-asa para yumaman? Ay! Napit-pit yung aking straw. Kaya si Jollibee pumunta na rin ng Amerika eh. Kaya lalo tuloy yumaman. Hello, one viewer. Kain tayo. Happy Sunday. Say hi to Jollibee. Ha? Kasi naman, itong kanilang taget. Mga shaket. Nakakasira ng straw. Number natin. Susunod na tayo, 10:40.